marinated in our addictive sauce. Healthy yet delish. Air fryer Japanese fried chicken, Karaage. $240 of chicken thigh. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Half teaspoon of garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. 1 tablespoon of sake. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Half teaspoon of sugar. A dash of salt. A dash of ajinomoto. Coat the chicken with the sauce to marinate. One and a half tablespoon of mayonnaise. Cuisine mayo is recommended. 1 teaspoon of sake. 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Mix well. Spray or coat the bottom of the air fryer basket with cooking oil. Dip the seasoned chicken into the batter we made earlier. Next, coat with potato starch. Rice flour is also recommended. Arrange the chicken pieces in the air fryer basket. Spray or coat the surface of the chicken with cooking oil. Set the basket into the air fryer. Cook at 190 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Even though it's not deep fried, it turns out quite crispy. Give it a try when you want to eat healthy. 今日の料理は唐揚げでした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.